Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on your Kohls account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in kohls.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Kohls website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, you can click on the sign in button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your email address and your password. Once you are logged in and taken into the home page, if you wish to change your password for your account, click on your user ID at the top right corner. Now from your profile page, click on account settings, and now you will be taken into your personal info page where you can change your account information. Now within the password section at the right side, type in your current account password within the current password box. After typing in your current password, enter your desired new password underneath within the new password section. Then type in this new password once again for confirmation, and now you can click on the change password button and your password will be changed on your Kohls account right away. You will need to refresh the page and sign in once again to your account by using your new credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on your Kohls account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.